Hello parents and students, this is a video about how to access Microsoft Teams. If you have a district issued laptop, it should already come installed with all the Microsoft stuff, including Teams. So if that's the case, go ahead and just double click on that. It'll open up and you'll just use your Fresno Unified sign-in to get onto there. Otherwise, if it's not on there for whatever reason, or if you're using a non-district computer, I'll go ahead and walk you through that. So first thing you want to do, Google Microsoft Teams. You're going to want to go here, click this very first link. And then on the top right, there's going to be a sign into your account thing. I'm going to scoot this off to the side so you can't really see any of my stuff. You'll have a little screen to tell you to sign in. You'll just enter your Fresno Unified email address. Okay. Then I have my password automatically saved, but you'll type in your password from there. Hit sign in, yes please. And from there, it should take you to your Microsoft Office homepage. Teams is right here. Go ahead and click that. And it will open up your Microsoft Teams. If you want to download the app, I might give it a second. There will be a button on the bottom left. I can't really get to it because the way this screen recorder is set up. But from here, you'll see I have all those classes. I have some other stuff I'm involved in, so I have other teams. But your students should have 6 teams. We'll just take, for example, if your kid is in, or you or your kid, sorry, because I know some people watching are students. It should be labeled Duffy Period 4 World History, and you click it. This is where I've been posting a lot of information about various things, checking in on the students, assignments, various messages. One of the things that I've been doing every Monday is you click Files. You will see a couple things here. One thing says General Information 1920, so that's 2019 to 2020. If you click that, I've been posting some Monday messages, and they just have some information about the week. I've been sending out an email to all the students as well, but just some various updates. It looks like a lot, but it's just some stuff that I thought you guys might want to know. Eventually, these will include telling you guys what the assignments for the week is and various other things. Oh, I always figured out to go back. There we go. Okay. And then, to find the actual assignments itself, you're going to hit Assignments. This might look slightly different for the students when they get this far. But, so you got a couple assignments here. The ones that are actually going to be graded are Assignment 3 and 4. These other ones are still good to review for the students so they can have more context to what we're doing. And we're going to go ahead and, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and scoot this off to the side. So, my view is going to be a little different, so I want to make sure I change that. Okay. So this is what the student should see. This is the student view, and then they can hit the assignment here. And then from here, what they're going to want to do is right where it says Edit Document. I prefer to edit in the browser. If you do edit in desktop app, it will upload or open up the Microsoft Word desktop app, and then you'll have to re-upload the assignment. Or actually, I believe it actually automatically saves. Not 100% sure. I usually do the browser. From here, all students have to do is obviously read all this information. You got some directions, criteria for success. I'll be posting some videos going over this. I did one for 8th grade earlier. These are the objectives for the students today. And all the assignments are all the directions right here. So turn to page 371, read the first 2 paragraphs. Got to make sure that they're carefully reading those directions. And to answer the questions, all they have to do is click in these little boxes. I got rid of the lines to make it a little easier for students to be able to type their answers. So I would write something like, because it's asking me the definition of humanism, I just say, humanism is defined